Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Twitter password. So for that, open the Twitter account on your mobile device, that is the Twitter application. Once you are logged in into the account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left, and there you need to tap on setting and support at the bottom, and then you type in setting and privacy. Tap that. Once you're at the setting page, tap on your account on top, and there you need to tap on change your password. Tap that. Now to change your password, you will need to type in the previous password, and then only you will be able to update a new password. Now type in the old password on the current password text box, and below you type in the new password. Retype the same password at the very end for the confirmation, and then tap on update password. And with that, your password has been changed. So this is how you can change Twitter password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.